Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, September 6, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had kind of a crappy day today. I mean, no disaster by any means, but uh, the markets are nervous about this Korean situation, and I think that's just weighing heavy on everything. And it's making difficult for us to make money. The Dow actually closed up 54 points today. It gapped up and pretty much trended sideways, but I didn't like this sell off right at the end, and based on that, I'm going to call it down for tomorrow. Excuse me. Anyway, we had about $800 open trade yesterday, and by the time we got out, we were closed out over $3,000. That sounds pretty good, but it was a bit disappointing because about 15 minutes into the day, we had about 9,000 in positive open trade, but it really kind of sold off before we got out of those stocks. So that, even in spite of the fact that that's an improvement over our open trade from yesterday, it was kind of a disappointment. What made the day crappy is we got into 9 positions, 3 are positive and 6 are negative, and we are carrying negative $7,300 going into tomorrow, so that's not good at all. But not a disaster, but just not good. Anyway, I have very little, if anything, to show you, but I'll show you the one disappointment. This is where that 9,000 disappeared, one of the stocks that disappeared on. This is Fairmont Santrol Holdings, FMSA. We had bought this yesterday, and you see this huge run up right at the beginning of the day, and that's kept us in the trade, so we weren't exiting it up here. Would have been nice to have exited up there. We were up about $5,000 up here, but then it just started slipped all day, and we were finally stopped out right on the close. And so we saw $5,000 in open trade equity up here go to about $500 when we closed out. That is not how you make money. Anyway, not very happy about that. We'll just have to hope things go better tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.